Mrs. Hensley's friends. We are going to start working in our September journal. Just the front cover though, nothing else. So go to your envelope that looks like this that was in your big bag when you went to meet the teacher. It says Hensley-K for kindergarten. It says books, ABC crafts, and journals, okay? So you're going to go inside here, and September journal should be behind this pink paper when you're facing it, okay? Get out your September journal. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like, September journal. Okay, you are going to first, what's the first thing that Mrs. Hensley says to do on an assignment so the teacher will know that it's yours? You have to write your name. Mrs. Hensley wants you to write that with a pencil. Look at Mickey Mouse. Okay, so you're going to write your name neatly on this line right here. So I would write M-R-S period, finger space, H-E-N-S-L-E-Y. I'm not writing on this because Mrs. Hensley doesn't want to mess up this journal just in case we get a new student. It will need to be theirs, okay? So after I have written my name in pencil, we're not going over it in marker because it will bleed through. So no markers, no going over your name in markers on this one. That was just on the birthday candle, okay? I mean the birthday cupcake. Okay, so you'll write your name neatly there. Then you're going to color. You're going to get out your crayons and start coloring. Do your very best. You can color where it says September journal and there's an apostrophe S here, so it would say Mrs. Hensley's September journal, meaning that's mine. Yours will have your name, so it's yours. So you can color the letters if you would like. You may color the bear. Now think about what color bears are. Well, I guess there are also stuffed bears, so I guess it really doesn't matter. But there is a basket, and baskets can be any color, of apples. Basket of apples, okay? Apples, think about what color apples could be. I've never seen a blue apple. Have you seen a blue apple? I've seen green, I've seen red, I've seen yellow. So, you need to think about that when you're coloring your apples. Mrs. Hensley doesn't want to see any blue or black apples because that's not real, right? Okay, and then after you've colored the bear and the basket and the apples, and you don't have to color the letters if you don't want to, okay? It would be cool to have them colored. Mrs. Hensley thinks that that would be really pretty, really cute, but that's up to you. You can also color this frame. Okay, that makes it look better when you color the frame and when you color neatly the letters and the apple and the bear, the apples and the bear. Okay, so color as neatly as you can. I can't wait for when you're finished for you to take a picture and upload it. Well, take a picture. It'll already be on your iPad. So take the picture with your iPad. Click on Add Response button. Click on Photo, Camera, take a picture of your September journal so I can see how nicely you colored and how nicely you wrote your name. When you are done taking the picture, you will, after you take the picture, you'll hit the Add Response button, Photo, put it into Seesaw, and then hit the green checkmark button. I can't wait to see how beautifully you colored and how nicely you can write your name. Have a wonderful afternoon. That is it for today. I will see you tomorrow morning, which is Friday. Okay, have a good day. We will see you soon. Bye-bye. Oh, Mrs. Hensley forgot. I'm back. Oh, I knew you would be so sad that I was gone, so I came back. No, really. I came back to tell you about your September journal. When you're finished with it, after you've taken the picture of it, put that journal in a safe place, because next week we will start working on the inside of our journal. Don't work on the inside of your journal yet. I want to explain to you what we are doing on the inside of the journal. So don't write on any of the pages inside the journal, because if you do, you're going to run out of pages for the assignments that Mrs. Hensley gives you, okay? So just the front cover today, and then next Tuesday we will write in our September journal. So put your September journal in a safe place so that you know where it is next Tuesday when I ask you to get it out. Okay? Have an awesome rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow on Friday. Bye-bye, friends.